This is the Lamicall Cell Phone Stand. So this is a phone dock holder or just a way to keep your desk organized. So we're just gonna unbox it here. You can see it's completely set up already. So it does have a grippy bit at the top that is pre-placed there, and it does come with additional grips as well within the box, which we'll look at later. So you can place your phone both horizontally or vertically on here. It does say what phones are compatible with it on the listing, but it's got a wide compatibility for sure. I have a few phones that fit on there. Works great for bedside or on your desk, anywhere that you want to free up some space or be able to see the screen while you are working. What's great about it too is you can charge your phone while it's placed in there. So I'm just going to demo that here. You can either place it through the back, just thread it through the hole there, or through the front on the bottom base. So here's just a little look at the extra grippy places here. Total size of this, 85 millimeters in height by 95 millimeters. As far as the thickness goes, it holds a phone up to about 15 millimeters in thickness. Definitely recommend it. Check it out.